This is Mark Hilliard from Beyond 20. Today I'm going to be talking about how to validate a date field to ensure that only dates in the future can be entered. Now, this can be very helpful. As you can see right now, I am in the task object in a blueprint, and there is a deadline field that can be added to task, and you would probably want to set that deadline in the future and ensure that no one could set it in the past. Now, the way you do this is you simply go ahead and select the field that you are looking to change, and you can do this straight from the form as I am now, or you can do it from the field list, but you go to the field properties and open up your validation. Rather than using a table, today we're actually going to be using a range. In this case, the left of our range is going to be what? Right now. So it must come is less than our current field, and that would be less than some other date. Now, I usually just use something ridiculously far in the future, rather not current date time, sorry, an expression. I simply build a date time expression that states I want to make the right of this field to be today plus 100 years. Of course, we hope you're still using Cherwell in 100 years, but that's probably a date that's far enough out in the future that it's not going to be an issue. And then, of course, you want to put an error message in there. You want to make sure that people understand that if they put a date in the past, they're getting an error and why they're getting the error. So, deadline must be in the future. Whoops, not the future. And that's all there is to it. You can do this with any date field in the system. You can use other date fields. Say, for instance, if you're doing a change and you want to ensure that the end time is later than the start time, you can certainly do that as well. Just ensure that you can validate again by the range. The left of the range would be the start time. The right of the range would again be, somewhere out hundreds of years in the future. Or in that case, you could just say that it must be greater than the start time. But this is a way of doing it with validation that allows you to ensure things happen in the future, or perhaps that something happened in the past. You could also make the right of the date range the current date time, and the left of the range could be 100 years ago. So hopefully this is helpful to you. Thank you for watching, and as always, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at our website, www.beyond20.com, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel, Beyond 20 LLC. Thank you.